Hello guys, in this tutorial I am going to show you how you can install LibreOffice on your Android phone. So LibreOffice, it is an alternative of MS Office which you are using on your Windows computer. So if you want to use that same softwares on your Android phone, so you can use LibreOffice. Android phone is based on Linux, that's why we are using LibreOffice. Okay, so to install LibreOffice you need to install any Linux operating system on your Android phone without root. Okay, so for that I already created up both videos for you, so you can use Ubuntu as well as Kali Linux. Just open YouTube and type Linux on Android and Mahesh Technicals and you will see Ubuntu and Kali Linux installation videos here. Okay, so I recommend you to use Ubuntu because it is lightweight and it is working and stable. Okay, so just open Termux here because I already installed Ubuntu. So if you not installed, go and watch that video and you will able to install Ubuntu on your Android phone without any problem. So let me log into my Ubuntu operating system, then I'm going to start our VNC. So after VNC start, we can access our Ubuntu remote desktop version. So just open real VNC application and connect our Ubuntu desktop version. So if you don't know what is going on, don't worry, watch that installation video, you will understand everything. Okay, now you can see we have our remote desktop. Now let's search for LibreOffice software. So I'm going to search here LibreOffice because we not installed yet, so you cannot find any application here. You can see we don't have any LibreOffice applications. So let's install it. For installation you need some commands, so open any web browser and search for LibreOffice Mahesh Technicals. So you need to type this text on Google. Okay, so let me enable my desktop mode because I'm using landscape mode on my Android phone. So you can see after that text you will get this article which is how to install LibreOffice on Android on maheshtechnicals.com. so just open this article and see this image. Okay, so if you not found this article, go to maheshtechnicals.com and here search for Libre. Now you can see you will get this article. Now just open this article. Here you will find each and every step what you need to install LibreOffice on your Android phone. So we already installed Ubuntu on our system, so we are not going to install again. So you can see this is the steps. So you can see we are already in the Ubuntu. So now the next command is to access our root permission. So don't worry, you don't need any rooted phone to access root permission. We are using Ubuntu root. Okay, you can see we access our root access without problem. So now the next command is to install wget package. It will install wget package. It will help us to download files from internet via terminal. Okay, so it is done. Now the next step is to download our Office installer script. So for that just copy paste this command and press enter and that's it. Our script is downloaded. Let me show you. Let's type ls and you can see office.sh file is downloaded. Now we need to give executable permissions to that file. For that you need to follow this command. Just copy this command and paste into your terminal. Now let me show you. Office.sh is now in green color. It means executable permissions are granted without any problem. Now just copy this command which will run this script on your phone. You can see the script is running. Okay, so we have two options which is install and uninstall. So we need to install. So just type 1 and press enter. Now you can see our Office is start installing. So it will install some dependencies first, then it will start installing LibreOffice on your Android system, it will take 5 to 7 minutes according to your internet connection. So make sure you have proper and stable internet connection on your Android phone. Okay, so let's wait. I created this script for you guys. So if you like this script, please one like to my video and make it one comment. Okay, so you can see it is installing. It will take 5 to 7 minutes. Okay, so now you can see we have successfully installed LibreOffice on our Android phone. So just go to your remote desktop and search for Libre and let me check. And now you can see we have some applications of LibreOffice. So now you can use these applications to do work on your Android phone. So just open any application. So right now I'm going to open LibreOffice. Now you can see LibreOffice Community Edition, it is opening without any problem. Okay, so you can see we have LibreOffice open in our Android phone. So now you can use your Android phone as a computer, like you can connect your mouse and keyboard and use this software to do your work on your Android phone without any error. If you have strong device, if you have good RAM, good processor device, you can use without any problem. You can see all things working perfectly. So you can also use Excel, Word, PowerPoint, etc. in the LibreOffice without any problem. Okay, so with this way you can easily install LibreOffice on your Android phone. So now let me show you how you can uninstall LibreOffice from your Android phone. So just open Termux again and run this script again, and you can see we have two options, install and uninstall. Now we are going to uninstall. Just type 2 number and press enter. It will take 1 to 2 minutes hardly to uninstall all the LibreOffice which installed earlier. So with this way you can easily uninstall LibreOffice from your Android phone without any issue. So if you don't need LibreOffice, you can uninstall. Okay, you can see successfully uninstalled. Let me check. Just click here and search for Libre. Now you can see our all Libre applications are removed perfectly. So with this way you can easily install and uninstall LibreOffice on your Android phone, and you can use LibreOffice on your Android phone without any error. So if you like this video, please like, share this video with your friends, and we will meet in the next video. Thank you so much for watching.